Hello friends, so today I will explain you how to put your code on Bitbucket and operate use means your Catalan code if you are new and first time you want to upload your code on Bitbucket and or Git, and you want to then operate SVN or kind of repository system in your project. So if you are new, I'm telling you the process what you have to do. So firstly, if you want to create your code on a Bitbucket, then you have to create a repository there. Right now I am showing the case where I have folder on my local system and I want to upload that local project folder on Bitbucket, so that I can every time I can push, commit or fetch the code from the Bitbucket, and every other member, if they want to work on the project, then they can upload or they can clone that same project and we can work on the same project. Different members can work on same project simultaneously, right? So I am showing you the process that, so this was my test repository, or this was my project which I want to upload on the Bitbucket, and I want to start the process. So for this, firstly I have to create a repository on Bitbucket, or if you have existing repository you can also use that. So go to the repository and then I'm just creating a private repository here. Just select any project name, any clone repository name you want to upload, use this setting, then create a repository. So your repository is created in such a way. Now what you want to do is, here firstly select this HTTP, because you have to clone or upload the project on this. So firstly copy from here this, it will be used in next step. Now go to Catalan. This is my project test folder or test project folder which I want to use. So firstly what you have to do is, you have to enable the Git. This red icon you are seeing here, you have to, this is for Git, and you have to enable it from Catalan Studio, right? So Catalan Studio, firstly you have to go here in Catalan Git. Now see, this enable should be there, this enable Git integration should be checked, and 30 seconds it should be default, right? And okay, so this will enable this Git here. Now if you want to, now you want to use the, or you want to upload this code to that Git repository. So for that you have to do another setting, and you have to again go to Git preferences, and in team again there is a Git. So in team you go to Git, and here you have to select the project folder. So here I am pasting which project you want to paste there. So I am just pasting my this repository, because my current project is there in this repository. So this is my test folder. I want to post this, repository to that, right, to the Bitbucket. So I am pasting my code or path here, and then I put apply and okay. So by default it will take my project, this project from that my system path. At least you have to specify the path, then it will clone to that Git or it will copy that project to that Bitbucket repository. Are you getting my process? So firstly what we have done, we have created a repository on Bitbucket, right? We have created repository on Bitbucket. We have taken the path of the repository which is accessible to all. That path I have taken from Bitbucket. Now what I am doing is, I have enabled the Git option from this Catalan preferences. Then I have from this one Catalan section, then I have again this pasted my path, test project path, which I want to upload on Bitbucket, right? And click OK. Now the process is that now you have, here is click icon. Now you have to commit your project on the Bitbucket. So it's a new project. I have clicked the share, and it has provided a Git file in my project folder, right? Now you just have to click and on this Git repository path, and you have to do a commit, that you want to commit all this. Now it will show all these files to you, that these are the files. Now if you just go and click commit push, it will show you there are no staged files, right? Why it will show you error? You have to select all the files. These are your project files from this folder, which you have to control select, and you have to do is add to index. So add to index, all these files are under this stage changes now. Now you can do a commit. Here you can type your code test upload to Git or Bitbucket, right? Right now you have seen that there is no any project here, right? In source you go there, it will show just this path. Now what I am doing is commit and push. So it will ask me the path of the repository which we have copied in the initially. So just go here, copy again, and just put the path here. So it will automatically take your username password. Otherwise you have to put your username password of the Bitbucket here. Just all these settings, just look at properly. Then you have to do next. It will ask the master. You can rename the branch name. Then next. So it will start the process. It will ask for this. You have to do nothing here. Then you have to click on the finish button. So it will start the process to push your code to Bitbucket repository, right? It will push your code to Bitbucket repository. Now seems it's completed, so go here and just refresh the page. See, you can see all the path, all the project folder are with test cases and all are uploaded to this Bitbucket from Catalan 7.3 Studio. Now you have to cross verify all the folders and files are uploaded to Bitbucket or not. So just see, here are 2 test cases. I am going and see there are 2 test cases here. So your everything is uploaded on the Bitbucket from your local repository. Now everybody can clone, every other members of the project, members of the project can clone your project from directly here, this repository. They can clone using this share option, this one. You just click on clone, and when you give this SSH or HTTP path to your other friends or team members, they will also be able to copy your same project and they can also start working on the same. Now next time if you do some changes here, if you do any changes, if you add any third test cases or anything here, now you have to upload again. You have to again push or commit. You have to again commit your changes, right? So you will go to here and you will see that here is also showing you that these are the changes you have to write. So you can commit or push directly these changes. You can directly push to the branch. It will ask for the branch. It will ask for message detail. You can push all the changes, right? Let's see if it goes there or not. Just refresh the page. No, there is no 3. There should be 3 test cases here, but that's not there. So you have to just copy. You have to, because you have not added the to index, you add to this index and then commit. Commit message is you can write second commit and commit. So your changes are committed. Now refresh the page. It's again not showing. Why it's not showing? We just check the reason. Maybe we have to commit and push the changes, right? So we have to push the changes there. Now the commit has happened. Now you have to push the changes, right? Now it will go to that repository. Say okay. You have to just click OK. So after commit, you have to push changes. So you can see that right now your new changes has been committed here. Or you can also see the history of the who has committed or not. You can change or check the history here, right? This one. So hope you guys can have idea right now that how to upload your new project to of Katalon to Bitbucket, and then operate from there. If somebody wants to clone, so click on the, if I am creating a new project, I am just creating a new project, right? Test clone. I'm just clicking OK. Like I am a new member of the project, I want to use your project, then OK, put it OK, right? You can see that right now there is no test case in this because it's a new project. Now I want to take project from the Git repository, so I just put the clone, and this is already pre-filled because I'm already done this. But if for new member, you have to paste this, that clone URL which I have provided for you from here, where here, and for HTTPS this one. So this URL you have to provide your team. So this is done, so it will directly fetch, or username password you have to put for Git. Then next, now it will cloning. For new member, it will ask for the branch. This branch was there, how many branches are there, from it will be taken from the Bitbucket. Now you will finish, so it will fetch all the projects to the new members Katalon Studio, right? And you can see it is generating, it is taking all the files from that. So it will be easy for all the members to work on the same project, commit changes if they are working on different models. Now you can see that in my new project also I have the Git. So if I change there, I can also upload that. So hope you guys can understand the process. I will add it, I have written these steps in that. I will also upload in my video, so you can check from here. Thank you for viewing this video. Please like and subscribe so I can make more videos for you guys. Thanks a lot.